wombats roam free in their wombat wonderland. In the Aussie outback where the eucalyptus grow, lives a little creature that you might not know. With a sturdy body and a smile so grand, the wombats dig tunnels through the red, red sand. Wombat wonderland where the earth meets the sky, with their playful eyes and a spirit so spry. Rolling through the meadows, digging through the night, in their cozy burrows everything's just right. With a waddle in their walk and a spark in their eye, they're the champions of the bush, never shy.